Fellow Malawians, you recall that on 21st May 2019, we went to an election at which I was declared the winner. At that time, all local and international observers agreed that we had a peaceful, free, fair, and credible election. In exercising their political rights, however, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera and Dr. Saul Shima petitioned the Constitutional Court with their grievances. We are allowed for judge to take his course because we respect the rule of law, and especially because I want to continue seeing peace, love, and unity prevailing among us. I'm a peaceful president. On Monday, the Constitutional Court made its ruling on the election petition which the opposition brought before it. I thank all fellow Malawians for your patience during the period the case has been in court. I want to applaud the leaders of the opposition for taking their electoral grievances to court as provided for in our law. That is democracy. However, I condemn violence in the possible strong terms and appeal to all Malians to reject violence. Let us keep calm and order at all times. The judgment delivered last Monday is not the end of litigation process in the May 21 election case. Malawi is a democracy and a country of laws. As a lawful nation, there remains a number of laws, legal processes, and procedures provided in our Constitution to regulate how we conduct ourselves to resolve our situation. The most important thing is that we must preserve our constitutional order and ensure that Malawi continues to be stable and peaceful. As the first respondent in the May 21st election case, I have taken note of the judgment delivered by the High Court, sitting as a constitutional court. Like many Malawians, my legal team and I have serious reservations with the judgment. We consider the judgment as a serious subversion of justice, an attack on our democratic systems, and an attempt to undermine the will of the people. As it stands, the judgment, if not cured, represents a flawed precedent for all elections in all future elections. In fact, this judgment inaugurates the death of Malawi's democracy. As such, it cannot stand unchallenged. Consequently, I have instructed my legal team to appeal against the judgment and challenge it. Let me, however, state that we are not appealing to stop the next election. In fact, we are ready to campaign and win as we have always done. We are appealing to correct the fundamental errors in the judgment to protect our laws, principles of justice and democracy. We believe the judgment has errors that need to be corrected. Above all, we seek justice. On a positive note, I'm delighted that, as I was insisting, the court agrees that there was no rigging in this election. According to the judgment, the court has identified procedural irregularities which do not affect our numbers. Let us not be carried away by this court ruling, because it is not the end of everything. We are one people. We are one Malawi. We remain one nation, and Malawi is bigger than us all. Within our constitutional order, let us move forward in peace, love, and unity.